Alright, here we go. Scanning colors. It's going to scan all 6 sides, right, Bryce? And then it's going to take, based on it, it'll know where every color is, and then it'll run through a series of what?
Different, like 5 million. It's going to run through all of those and find out the solution.
And it will use...
Last scan. You ready?
Algorithms.
This is for truth.
Advanced algorithms. Alright, please work. Ooh, it hit the camera over there?
Don't fail us now.
Come on, we're so close. We can see colors forming. We lubricated the... Ooh, it's getting off a little. Is it back on? It's okay.
Now it's back on.
That was a close one right there.
Ooh, that was a bad one.
Ooh, that was close, but it's okay. As long as it doesn't miss one, we're in good shape.
These are close ones.
Oh!
Got yellow
This
salt.
could be it!
Yep, it is. Because it only has to top this off.
Oh, we got that. Oh! Could we make it? We could succeed. Bryce's robotic Rubik's Cube masterpiece
Come on, solve.
that he's been working for 2 days on.
Oh! It's solved!
Did it do it? Woohoo! That's awesome, dude.
We greased it and everything.
You built a Rubik's Cube solving robot.
It solved it in 2 minutes and 11.9 seconds. But the world record's 3 seconds. Wow.